What it do, everybody? And we are here back at Kid Adult TV Studios for another unboxing. This time in a long time, and I haven't done this in a while. We got 4 more new Funko Pops to open. What it do? Hey, welcome back, guys, and we are here. I got 4 brand new Funko Pops. You know, I kind of wanted to kind of show them off. I really haven't done a Funko Pop video in a while. You know, not that I haven't gotten any new Funko Pops, I just haven't had time to do any new Funko Pop videos. So I figured I'd do this one, show off these 4 New York City Comic Con exclusives. These are awesome. These are pretty good. And of course they got stickers, you know, because I'm a sticker ho for show. So I had to get them with stickers. So let's take a look. Let's go open them and hit my button over here. See the handy dandy button. Hit this button here and we'll go right to my desk camera. All right, here we go. What did it do? So we got all 4. We got 2 of the Ninja Turtle, the Power Rangers Ninja Turtles crossover line. They've already released 4 other ones, the Leonardo and the Donatello one, and there was a Shredder one. So Dee already has those 3. She needed these 2 to complete her little collection. So now she's good. She'll be golden. She's got that. Look at that. Bam. So we're gonna open these guys. Check those guys out as well. And then also I got these 2 movie Funko Pops. I got Borat and Free Guy. These are for me. I always collect movie Funko Pops, little rare ones, you know. As you can see, I don't think they make any more of these, you know. These have their other ones that they show off, you know. Different ones you can get. This has nothing on the back, so Funko website has all of these Funko Pops. You can always get this at the Funko website. Funko has all these on the website. I'm not sure if some of these have sold out yet, but I have been seeing some of them at stores, you know, so maybe not. Well, let's start off by opening these turtles. The turtles look very, very nice. Let's open up turtles. Got my unboxing knife. I always use the unboxing knife because I don't want to bend the card or the box, because, you know, everybody knows that you collect Funkos, you know, most of the value is in the box. Okay, let's just pull Mikey out. I'll put the plastics here. Damn, look at that guy. Look at Mikey. Now, one thing I did notice with this, he's supposed to have like nunchucks, but like I don't think those are nunchucks. Those don't look like nunchucks to me. And it made him like the Yellow Ranger. Like I don't know what the Yellow Ranger. But I guess because they don't have an Orange Ranger, they had to make him a Yellow Ranger. But he's cool. I really enjoy the bandanas. How they come across like that. They're like all super hard plastic. Very cool. You see all the muscles in their legs. I mean, not bad. You can move their head slightly, just a little bit. Still though, very highly detailed, very cool. It's a little sad. These aren't for me. All right, cool. So we'll put Mikey right here, right in front of his plastic, and we'll get out Raphael. Let's get out Raffy. The angry turtle. Always angry. Somebody must have done something to his cereal in the morning. And they made him the Red Ranger. Oh, cool. Same thing with the bandana. Oh, the bandana's super cool. I like that. Yellow shell in the back. Oh, he has the yellow shell too? Oh, they both have yellow shells. I wonder if the other 2 have yellow shells. But he's got his size. Look, the Red Ranger. I don't even think the Red Ranger has size. That doesn't even make sense to me. I thought Tommy had like a sword. Yeah, Tommy has a sword. Look, see? I have Tommy right here. Look, he has a sword. So why does he have size? And if that's the case, if they weren't really following the rules, why couldn't they just make him his nunchuck? These look like daggers to me. Oh, I see now. Oh, I see. So they kind of is nunchucks. You see right here on the top of it, it's like the chain part of it. So it kind of is nunchucks, but they have daggers at the end. I guess so. Okay, so they're right, but they could have made him orange. I got it, but this doesn't make sense. So why? He should have definitely got a sword. Do you think he should have got a sword? Let's check him out real quick. His teeth look. I enjoy that, how the teeth always stick out like that on there, like the old school cartoons. Looking cool. All right, cool. Let's put him here, right next to his brother. Stand there. All right. Yes, she mash. Yes, she mash. Let's get Boratskis out here. A little bit of bent plastic. Yeah. Yes, she mash. Hi. There we go. We got Borat right there. Look at that guy. Oh, yeah. Boratsky. You know, no matter how they do it, they all have the same similar eyes. All the characters do. You know, all the people pops, at least. Yet they still figure out a way to make them all look like like the character they're supposed to be. And that's always amazing how detailed they get. Look at the little bag. Little bag full of stuff for his trip to America. So very cool. I like this. I like this. Borat. Movie's wild, man. The movie's so wild. You guys have to watch this. There's some crazy stuff in this movie. All right, we'll put Borat right there. We got one more to open. Let's see, who is it? It's Free Guy. Let's open up the box and free the Free Guy. Free the Free Guy. There we go. Oh, he's a little lighter than the other guys, but Free Guy nonetheless. A little bit of blood in his nose, a little blood on the bridge of his nose. He's got his glasses. The user glasses. Look for the users. Look at that little name tag. His name tag says Guy on it. You guys see that? That's cool. That's so cool. Very cool. Free guy. He's so guy that he's free. Free guy. I'm pretty sure he's going to try to sell you some aviation gin right now. Or a Cricket Mobile. One of those things. But hey, if this is the first time checking out D&Me and Kidult TV, make sure you subscribe. Subscribe to D&Me and Kidult TV. Get you notified. Hit that bell. Yes, you miss. Whenever we post a new video. But from D&Me and Kidult TV, we'll see you guys all on the next unboxing video. What it do, guys?